Press the menu or settings button on your Sharp TV remote. Navigate to System or Initial Setup, depending on your model. Find and select Factory Reset, Reset, or Reset TV. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the reset. You may need to enter a PIN or select Yes to proceed. The TV will restart, and you will be prompted to set it up from scratch. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button located on the TV itself for about 30 seconds to discharge any residual power. Release the button, wait another minute, and then plug the TV back in. Turn the TV on. It should either boot directly into the initial setup or the menu should now be accessible for you to perform the reset as described in Method 1. Unplug the TV from the power source. Press and hold both the input and volume down buttons on the TV's physical control panel. While still holding the buttons, plug the power cord back in. Continue holding the buttons until a blue box or a specific menu appears on the screen, indicating you have entered the service menu. In this service menu, navigate to the Industry Init option and set it to on using the volume controls. Follow any additional prompts to complete the reset, which may require you to unplug the TV again.